Hey everyone, I'm back again, and today I'm going to continue my lung sound series that I started last week. Before we start, let's hear this lung sound and let me know what you think about it. I'm not sure if anyone had this issue when I started working as a student nurse during my clinicals. I used to be so confused about normal lung sound. I was not 100% sure what actual lung sounds like. So, if you're a new nurse or a nursing student in your clinical placement, don't freak out. I think everyone feels the same way. So, save this video and come back to check what normal lung sounds like and follow for more.